Such an innocent looking piece of stainless steel tube. You wouldn't think it would be responsible for a nasty cut injury. The truth is, cut injuries can happen where we least expect them. In this week's safety discussion video, I'm going to take you through 2 recent cut injuries and tell you how to prevent them. A mechanic was working over by our stainless steel tubing shelf, pulling tube. He noticed that there was a tube sticking out from the shelf and used the palm of his hand to push it back onto the shelf. As he was pushing the tube, it got caught on one of the shelf dividers, stopping immediately. This caused a cut in the palm of his hand. He was not wearing his cut-resistant gloves. Another cut injury occurred inside one of these electrical panels. An electrician was working with a thick wire cable, removing insulation with a box cutter. Instead of cutting up away from his hand, he was cutting down. The blade slipped and sliced into the palm of his hand. He was wearing Personal PPE, which was not rated for cut resistance. The first lesson to learn from these incidents is to wear your cut-resistant gloves. ASC provides cut-resistant gloves that are Kevlar woven and chemically treated to resist cuts from blades and other sharp objects. So always wear your cut-resistant gloves when handling metal, knives, or any other sharps. Another lesson to learn from this incident is get your personal PPE approved by the safety department before using it here in the shop. The safety department will make sure that your personal PPE meets our safety standards and that it's safe for you to use. Remember to get that personal PPE checked out by safety, Gerardo. Thanks. Another way to prevent cut injuries, as with injuries in general, is to make sure you have the right tool for the job. This Greenlee cable stripper bushing kit is the perfect tool for removing insulation from cable. For you electricians out there, using this tool is not just fast and easy, but it's also a lot safer than using a box cutter or a knife to remove insulation. Lastly, always secure the material before making your cut. Whether you're using a small bandsaw or a large reciprocating saw, securing the material and putting both hands on the tool ensures that your hands are out of the way in case that blade slips. And if you're making a cut, make sure to cut away from your body. All right, well that concludes this week's safety video where we learned about preventing cut injuries to your hands. Remember, always wear your cut-resistant gloves when handling metal, knives, or other sharp objects. And lastly, we have a charitable event coming up on March the 17th. It's a walk-run to support research into children's cancer. If you're interested, sign up is at the front desk.